So today I'm coming at y'all with another quick little video. I know I've been slipping and I did not post last week, but I'm going to try to post 2 videos this week just to make up for it. So today I'm coming at y'all with a video that's kind of like, it's informative, but it's a warning. It's something I had to learn the hard way. So y'all probably, if you already one of my subscribers, welcome back and thank you for watching. If you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you know when I post videos. You can follow me on Instagram at Jalisa Mariah. I'll put it here on the screen. So yeah, let's get into this topic. So if you've been watching my videos, you probably know that I told y'all I was switching to an all natural, like skincare, body care routine or whatever. I switched my soap, deodorant, lotion, all that. All that was going good until this. So y'all know, well if y'all don't know, it's a difference between when I switch to my natural products. It's a difference between a deodorant and an antiperspirant. So obviously an antiperspirant, if you don't already know, keeps you from sweating and basically like blocks your sweat glands. I was getting like hair bumps and stuff under my arm. They were painful. I was tired of it, and I just wanted to switch to a deodorant, which just helps max the smell of your sweat. It does not stop you from sweating like an antiperspirant, which means I shouldn't be getting those painful bumps, which I'm not, and you know my sweat glands shouldn't get clogged. So if you're having that problem, it's probably your deodorant. Anyway, aside from that, another thing I did not know is that a lot of deodorants, not antiperspirants, but deodorants, have baking soda in them. I'm sure you just like me, you've seen a lot of posts on here where people are like, oh, you know, put baking soda in your armpits and mix some baking soda with some lemon juice and something else, and it's supposed to basically help make the darkness under your arm that most of us have go away. So I've never tried that, and luckily I didn't. And before you try, I want you to listen to what I gotta say. So I bought this deodorant from my all natural deodorant. Let me put it here so you can see it. The company is Smith's, the rose and vanilla smell natural deodorant. Okay, I bought this back in November, December. I was using it all through the holidays. Everything was cool, but about 3 weeks ago, I started like, my underarms just started feeling really itchy. So I'm like, okay, maybe my body's still getting used to the new deodorant. And it had been kind of a little bit warmer than average here where I live. So I'm like, okay, you know, maybe it's just one of those skin things. Then I noticed that my underarms were a little red, but the night that I noticed it, it was a night like that I had exfoliated my skin. So I'm like, okay, maybe it's just I was a little bit rough on the exfoliation or something. Never thought nothing about it. Still kept using the deodorant. So about 3 weeks ago, one night, I wore like this, it was like a blouse, like a silky type shirt to work. So my underarm, like especially on this left side, it was just hurting like every time it rubbed up against my shirt. So I'm like, what is this? I take off my shirt, like my whole underarm, and this side was too, but this side was just a lot worse. It was like swollen and red and just like sore to anything to even touch it. I'm just like, oh my God, I'm just like, what is going on? Like, I'm freaking out. I'm thinking like I got some type of rash that's not going away. It was going on for like weeks. I'm putting Neosporin on it, alcohol, peroxide, like I'm putting everything on it. Like I was getting ready to like call my, you know, my primary care doctor and schedule an appointment because I'm like, maybe I should see a dermatologist. Like I really thought it was something wrong with my skin. Never did I think to stop using the deodorant because I mean obviously I don't want to go to work and not have deodorant on. So then, okay, boom. I'm just like, well, let me get on the internet and like, you know, search around and see what I can find out. It's probably what most of us do when we're not feeling well. I know I do that. You probably do it too. So I'm searching, I'm looking up this deodorant, looking at the reviews on it. Boom. So when people saying like, oh, this gave me a rash, so I'm like, oh, okay, it must be the deodorant. So I'm like, let me look at the ingredients. Lo and behold, it has sodium bicarbonate in it, which is the fancy term for baking soda. after doing my own research, apparently some people's underarms skin, I guess because of the alkaline and acidic nature of sweat to deodorant. I'm not a scientist. Anyway, so some people's skin under their arms cannot tolerate baking soda. And when they use it gives them, I guess, to the effect of like what we would consider a chemical burn, or just like a really, really bad, painful red rash. So, as soon as I read it, I stopped using it. Immediately stopped using it. And I was gonna throw it away, but I didn't because I wanted to make this video for y'all. But now after tonight, I'm gonna throw it away. But yeah, so immediately stopped using it. After that, the rash still wasn't going away. So I'm like, what do you put on like sunburn? So I'm like, okay, let me get some aloe vera gel, which I got. I didn't use any deodorant for like a week or two. Just only put the aloe vera gel, you know, under my arms every night after my shower. Week or so later, I'm feeling much better. And I stopped using that deodorant. I ended up finding another all-natural, vegan, paraben, aluminum-free deodorant spray that I found at Target, and it works really good. It's like also a rose smell. I would not recommend it if you're somebody that perspires a lot though, because it doesn't give that great of a hold. But I'm not a big sweater, so it's okay for me. But yeah, so I learned a valuable lesson. I just want to come share it with y'all because I see so many people on here telling people to put baking soda under their armpits. I'm not telling you don't do it, but just be careful. And when you're going to buy deodorant, if you're switching deodorants, trying to be more healthy like I was doing, read the ingredients. Just because something say all natural or vegan or whatever, it does not mean it is. So you definitely gonna want to read those ingredients before you end up like me with like a little chemical burn, rash, whatever under your arms. So yeah, that's just what I had to come back and tell y'all. If you tried this deodorant and the same thing happened to you, let me know. If you haven't, but maybe you were considering it, let me know that too. And if you use another type of all-natural deodorant that does not have sodium bicarbonate in it at all, let me know. And maybe I can give that a try as well. But yeah, this is Mariah. Thank y'all for tuning into this video. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. For all the likes, comments, my new subscribers, welcome. And yeah, so I'll see y'all back in my next video.